Alright, so today on Tube Plumber, we're going to teach you guys how to properly install SharkBite. These are going to be SharkBite caps. It is the exact same process as a regular SharkBite coupling. What you want to do is get yourself some cut copper, bam bam. Alright, then you want to get yourself some sort of reaming device. Take down the burrs. I got the outside and the inside. Okay, outside, inside. Be careful when you stick your fingers on the copper, that is really sharp. Okay. Alright, now when you're looking at your SharkBite, you'll see a little piece of plastic in there bouncing around. On copper pipe, that's not necessary, you don't need it. On stuff like CPVC and Wurzbo, that little piece you're gonna pull out, stick it inside the pipe, and then put your SharkBite on it. But since we don't need it, we're just gonna pull it out. Now if that was going on Wurzbo or plastic pipe, that would slide up inside the pipe like that, then you put it on. But we don't need it, so we're gonna throw it away. Now, when you stick your SharkBite on, it's gonna seat. 1, 2. You'll feel it click twice. Okay? 1, 2.